Turn your passion into a rewarding career with the automotive programs at Fox Valley Technical College. You will work with real-world equipment and learn the full scope of automotive work, including engine repair, electrical and brake systems, and steering. Also, explore programs in auto collision repair and refinishing, and other emerging automotive technologies for domestic or import vehicles. Gain the skills employers are looking for in this growing and in-demand career field. You can expect to work in dealerships, independent repair shops, fleet maintenance, and beyond. The world needs more automotive technicians. If you're ready to learn by doing, the automotive programs are here for you. Learn more about the automotive programs at FVTC and how to apply at www.fvtc.edu/automotive.